Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. In today's vlog I will be changing my dash lights on my 1994 Nissan Micra. Now this is a clip that I've recorded just a night before, just to show you guys how my dashboard light is at night. Can't really see on the other half of my dash. I got myself some LED bulbs from eBay and I will just get that replaced.
Guys, check this out.
So the first thing obviously you have to do is get this plastic trim off from the dash, and then we can access the cluster. This plastic trim is actually held by two screws, and I've already removed one from here and the other one is just right there on the left hand side. So it's better to just remove this plastic bit and the bottom plastic bit, and then you can access this screw. So the screws are just right in here. We've got one here, 2 and 3, and this just comes off. Now I've already removed the 3 screws from this plastic trim. I will just quickly take it out. Now it's easy for me to access this screw. This screw is removed. This should easily come off. That's it, it's out. So once we have removed the trim, there's 3 more screws that needs to be removed. There's 1, 2 and 3 just in there. Right, so I've taken the dash off. I haven't removed the whole thing completely because there's no point. All I gotta do is basically change one of the bulb at the back, which is just right here. So I will leave the camera here so you can see which bulb I'm taking off. This is the bulb that I've taken out the dash. Now to replace it, it's very easy to do. All you got to do is just pull this out gently. Now replace it with a new one. This bulb I ordered from eBay. It's a straight replacement on this, and I'm gonna put the link in the description as well and the name of the bulb, so it's easier for you guys to find out what bulb it is. Now to put this bulb back, just slide it in just like that. That's it. Since I've already opened the dash, this is a very good time for me to just replace the other side bulb as well. This is something I think is worth mentioning. Let me switch this on. Now I've replaced the bulb from both sides, the left and the right, but you can see in here that the right is not leading up even though it's a new replacement bulb. Now the solution is very simple. Take the replacement bulb out, twist it around and install it the other way. And that should fix the problem. Now this should work. There you go. It's working now, and that's the fix for it. It's very easy to put this thing back. Just do everything in reverse. 3 screw back in, put the trim back, and you're done. Now this is how you change your dash lights on a Nissan Micra. It's a very easy DIY to do. Just remove the plastic trim, few screws, and the bulbs out. Now thank you for watching guys. As always, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, just do make sure to press the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you have subscribed, and I will see you for next time. Goodbye.